In Mechanical Engineering Department, degree semester 6, under the subject of Industrial Safety and Maintenance Engineering, today we are going to see the tutorial number 3, which is an introduction to industrial accident and protective equipment. Introduction. Industrial accidents are unexpected events that occur in workplaces and cause injuries, damage, or loss of life. Industries such as construction, manufacturing, mining, and chemical plants face high safety risks. So the protective equipment plays an important role in reducing these workplace injuries and saving lives. Common causes of industrial accident. Why the industrial accidents are occurring? So lack of proper training and awareness to the workers and employees, carelessness and human error of the worker, faulty machinery and poor maintenance, electrical hazards, fire and chemical leaks, failure to use safety equipment. These are the common causes. Now we will see what are the types of industrial accidents. First is mechanical accidents caused by machines and tools. Then electrical accidents such as shocks and short circuits. Third is chemical accidents involving toxic gases and spills. Fire and explosion accidents. Then falls and slips in construction or industrial sites. Then impact of industrial accidents. So first and foremost and most dangerous is loss of human life and serious injuries, damage to machinery, property and environment, reduction in productivity and financial losses, mental stress and reduced employee morale. So in all these cases, what we can do to counter these accidents? So one of the way is protective equipment. So the protective equipment is a safety devices and clothing used to protect workers from hazards. It is also known as personal protective equipment. It acts as a barrier between workers and workplace dangers. So let's see types of protective equipment. Helmets protect the head from falling objects. Safety goggles protect eyes from dust and chemicals. Gloves protect hands from cuts and burns. Safety shoes protect feet from heavy materials and sharp objects. Masks and respirators protect workers from toxic gases and dust. So how protective equipment saves lives? So protective equipment reduces the severity of workplace injuries. It prevents direct contact with hazardous substances and dangerous machinery. PPE helps workers safely perform risky tasks. For example, firefighters wear heat resistant suits to protect themselves from burns. Example of PPE saving lives. For example, a construction worker working on a high rise building and slipped from a platform. But the worker was wearing a safety harness attached to a secure support system. So the harness prevented the worker from falling to the ground and saved his life. Same way, a helmet protects workers from head injuries caused by falling objects. So this example shows how a proper use of PPE, personal protective equipment, can prevent serious injuries and fatalities. Conclusion. Industrial accidents can cause serious human and financial losses, but protective equipment is essential for worker safety and accident prevention. Organization and employee must work together to maintain industrial safety.